At nandito na naman ako. Kasi ang kakantahin ko naman ngayon, mga love song. Dahil tapos na yung mga new wave na ano rap. Kaya mga love song naman, medley dito. If you want to go join, when I ask you tonight, when I'm down the then look into your eyes, in the sun that you're enjoying. When I look into your eyes, there's another message. When I look into your eyes, my dream comes true. When I'm you, I'm from you, my miracle. If you could see when I see you will answer my prayer. With you could be with tenderness I feel, you won't know it's really clear. With angels brought me here. Oh, you there, just a love like you into life. We're the ones for the care. My spirit born was chosen testament and faithful stand with the life of the king. Who sees the beauty in your land? Who will be there you wear your cross? Who sees the madness in your life? And who will be there to cast away your fault? Don't you stay in passing day. You cause so fall. Don't throw it away. Leave it. Things are going wonderful way, let the sun fake your glory, faithful and glory, hold to that in your heart. We hold on together. I know one thing will never die. You see us through forever, but life goes by for you and I. There's a love in the stand, there's a love in your stand. There's a love in you know the better. When I'm with a bite to the sea, with a bite to be together. I must forgive you, you must be with you. If you wanna back to things back the way they used to be, we said to see when over, the sisters has it all. The break it after anymore. Interview muna.
Interview muna. Question.
Question and answer.
Saan mo nakuha yung mic mo? Golden microphone mo?
Hinilang po ito sa GMA service sa
Siyempre?
Dahil alam mo naman ako, loyalty ako ng Party Pilipinas.
Yes.
At nandun yung mga idolo ko na X-ray.
Endorse mo yung Accelerate.
May concert ang SRA sa May 28 sa Laguna.
Laguna.
Ano kayo mawawala doon? 300 ang ticket.
Thank you sa sponsor.
At
Sponsor.
thank you rin pala sa sponsor sa mga, ano ba yun? Ano? Sentay pati. At sa tinarikin ako sa video. Ang kakantahin ko naman ngayon ay mga Koreano at Japanese,
Korean song.
saka yung Espanyol ulit.
Yan. Up, change costume. Eh, yung... Kasi yung Huawei.
Ay, parang diyak.
Ay, siya. Pero may bit ni Grande.
Wow, may helmet pa, iba klase.
Yan.
Papupunta nito.
Okay.
Anong picture mo? Picture taking mo.
Okay na. Anong next mo kakanta eh?
Bali ito yung song ng...
Yan. Nang?
Ang Temptation of Vice, love song.
Yun.
Album naman ako.
I dedicate to my song.
Dedicated of song, sing song ng Temptation of Vice. Chinese, Koreano to song. I know, kakulitanity,
Teddy Bear, tulog na oh.
And then I couldn't tell a thing. Never know. Just another me against me, a song, more than what I need, cause what I need, not a song, cause what I need, a song, cause I need hiding, I could demand to know, cause I had to know. No one here, go back in your neck, cause I don't have to know. Not alone, guess to know. You cannot have to know. But I want is she home? And then, when I do have you, you have to know. Look at the never need a God. Remove your history, can't take home. Happen you, but the one I told you, I said all the time, you were not a saying, but I wanna see you. It's the word of God.
Hop, cut! May request. Pyramid daw.
Pyramid na naman. Mamaya na yun.
Pyramid again.
Baby, where the dance you know. I never wanna dance you know. I never wanna dance you know. The shit is a friend. What I need is like a friend. Yeah. You need a little friend. But I need another friend. Yeah.
Okay.
Kakantahin ko naman yung anak at Tafishi.
Question. Saan ang galing yung teddy bear mong sabog?
Itong teddy bear. Bigyan ito ng audience ang aking mga fans. Mahal ko yung mga fans ko.
Ayos.
Sabihin namin sila, fan. Sabihin mo, mga dalawa.
Bali ang pyramid ko, dalawa na.
Yung fans
Pants mo, ilan na yung pants mo?
Siguro sa 100 plus.
Ayos na. Yung helmet mo, saan galing yan?
Ito. Binigyan ko lang niya sa tabi-tabi.
Yung jaway mo.
Ha?
Yung jaway.
Anong jaway?
Yung waway mo, saan galing?
Ito.
Sponsor.
Sa sponsor ko.
Sinong sponsor yon?
Si Dr. Vicky Bueno.
Ayos yan. Kakana.
Kakantahin ko naman yung anak at Tafishi saka Eric Tool.
Ano daw ang katay mo? Ana? Pinag-housing.
Eric Tool.
Siyan.
Pili for the same.
Ang lakas na mo konti. Boy.
before. Who don't want to stop me? I just know what's so. People that was anything. Didn't listen. More for the same. Come on, today. More for the same. Come on, the same. More for the same. Deny the whole thing. Go on and make, go on and walk in a song. Anakatamushi, Moko, Sinabueno, Komachine, Anakatamushi, Moko, Sinabueno,
Oh, ending na, ending.
Eto na ang panghuli ko naman, Eris 2. Como na respuesta, Eris 2, Eris 2. Como naman naman, de verano. Como na soresa, Eris 2, Eris 2. Así, Eris 2.
Ano yung teddy bear mo?
Mono by Frank,
Para may dance
Eris
contest ka.
2. Eres tú, como lo ves fresca en mis manos. Como lo ves fresca, eres tú, así, así.
Kapit ka na ba dito?
Eres tú, con Panagua de mi fuerte. Eres tú, en fuego de mi hogar.
Okay, thank you for coming na.
Thank you for coming.
Balik po sila.
Balik na lang po kayo ulit.
Sa likod dyan.
Ano na ba pinakalas?
Papasalamat ka.
Teka, may kakantahin pa ako, may isang request para.
Request mo daw.
Ano ba kakantahin ko? Yung Falling in Love Again.
Sige. Sino kumanta nun? Elvis?
Hindi, yung bago ngayon, yung Baby Soon na. Kaso hindi ko pa kabit na hati pa. Pero wag na, saka na lang masusunod na lang yun. Basta hanggang dito na lang, thank you na lang sa inyong lahat.
And
Saka huwag niyo kalilimutan yung X-ray course sila sa May 20 sa May Laguna. At saka, napasalamat na rin ako sa Sensation of Flight. Napakaganda, siguro mga June pa matatapos. Ang equality na naman, itong this week na to, dahil papalit naman ang Munting Hinedera. Panoorin niyo yung Munting Hinedera, napakagandang teledrama yan. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat sa inyo.
anong tunay mong ano? Saan ka nila makukontak kung sakaling gusto nila ng show mo?
Sino sa Sampaloc? Ibibigay ko na lang yung address ko doon pag nagbukas ako ng FB.
Telephone number?
Wala na akong cellphone nga.
Ano?
Basta doon sa Facebook.
Email ad.
Basta yung Joseph Robante yun.
Joseph Robante.
Makikita naman to sa FB ko eh. I-type nyo na lang yun. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.